Thank you for coming. I am Tutor Cletus Okoli. Today we shall be solving this indices. So I have in the question 3 into the bracket open 2 raised to the power n plus 1 bracket close minus 4 bracket open 2 raised to the power n minus 1 bracket close. Everything all over 2 raised to the power n plus 1 minus 2 raised to the power n. This is a JAMB question. Let us solve it. By solution, we have it. From the numerator, I will write 3 into this 2 raised to the power n plus 1. I will apply the law of indices, the multiplication law of indices, and it is going to be 2 raised to the power n times 2 raised to the power 1. I have separated it. They have the same base. That is why the powers can add. Minus 4 into the bracket, I will still apply the law of indices, and this will be written as 2 raised to the power n multiplied by 2 raised to the power negative 1. Everything all over. I will still apply the same law of indices here to have 2 raised to the power n multiplied by 2 raised to the power 1 minus 2 raised to the power n. So this is my first step. Now looking at it very critically, you will observe with me that there is 2 raised to the power n here by the left hand side, and there is also 2 raised to the power n here by the right hand side. Even at the denominator, I can see 2 raised to the power n by this left side, and I can still see 2 raised to the power n by the right hand side. That means I can factor 2 raised to the power n both at the numerator and at the denominator. So doing that, I will factor out this 2 raised to the power n. It will come outside 2 raised to the power n, meaning that what I have inside now is 3. Then multiplying what? 2 raised to the power 1 minus, I have this 4. Okay, this 2 raised to the power n has gone outside. Very good. So what I still have inside here now is 2 raised to the power negative 1. Very good. So I will close the big bracket. Everything all over, coming down to the denominator. There is 2 raised to the power n here. There is 2 raised to the power n here. Factoring it out, I'll have 2 raised to the power n. So here what is left now is 2 raised to the power 1. What is left this side is just 1. Because if I remove this 2 raised to the power n outside, what will be left here is 1, because 2 raised to the power n times 1 will give me 2 raised to the power n. And 2 raised to the power n times this 2 raised to the power 1 will give me as I have it above. Now, let's move on. From here, permit me to cancel out this and this. Since what I have a numerator is also at the denominator, I can cancel it out. So what I have left is 3 into, of course, 2 raised to the power 1 is 2 minus 4 into, of course, 2 raised to the power minus 1 is the same thing as 1 all over 2. Everything all over, 2 raised to the power 1 is 2 minus 1. Okay, it has broken down. So this means 3 times 2 is 6, and minus 4 times half will give us 2. That is 4 over 2. So that will give me 2. All over 2 minus 1 is 1. Meaning that my answer now will be 4 over 1, which is equal to 4. Beautiful. Therefore, the final answer to this question given to us is 4. And from the options provided. Okay, from the options provided, option A is wrong, 1 over 4 wrong. Option B is not correct, 2 raised to the power n minus 1. Option C also wrong, 2 raised to the power n plus 1. Then option D, 4 correct. So option D is correct. This, and this are all wrong. Thank you for watching. Remember to share the video as a way to support me. God bless you.